morning and welcome everybody to week 5 of our MOOC tutorial. My name is Jörg Niemann and I'm a professor for industrial engineering at the Düsseldorf University of Applied Sciences. Today I'm going to give you a talk about energy management, which will get more and more important in the years to come. So watch out and keep your brain charged. So one idea of energy management is the energy transition. Energy transition means to go away from fossil and atomic energy sources towards 100% renewable energy operation. Despite of enormous growth rates, the renewable energies are still, the rate of renewable energies is still pretty low. The energy transition is just in the beginning. And so far the use of biomass covers the largest share in these renewable energy sources. You probably know other renewable energy sources like water or solar energy. The power generation, 25% on a global scale right now is renewable, 25%, followed by the use of coal and of nuclear energy. One thing to measure the impact of such behavior is the so-called ecological footprint. The ecological footprint is the only metric that measures how much nature we have and how much nature we use. So it's a comparison between using and having. The footprint helps to countries, for example, to improve the general behavior towards sustainability and well-being. But it also enables individuals to use this ecological footprint to understand their individual impact on the planet. So for example, how much impact it will have if you use the airplane for your next vacation. This ecological footprint indicates finally how much space is needed to sustainably keep your lifestyle as it is right now. So you can see, for example, in Germany as a comparison, if we would go on living like it is now, we would need approximately 2 planets to keep our lifestyle as it is. But we don't have, obviously we don't have 2 planets. In comparison to Germany, for example, US citizens would need nearly 3 planets if they would go on in a sustainable way to keep their living standard. On a global level, we would need more than around 1.5 planets to sustainably go on with our lives, but which we don't have. One issue to go on is to go away from fossil fuels. Because fossil fuels are a limited resource, of course, so that means once they are exhausted, they are gone, they are away, we don't have them anymore. That is point number 1. Point number 2 is, as you know, the fuels are generated, or the fuels come from countries, they lie under countries and could use as a political weapon, so to say, so political dependency. So we only give you that raw material like oil, for example, if you do this or that, so it can be used for political abuse, for blackmailing, for example, of countries. Third issue is that such fuels have a global impact on the climate. Example, hotter summers, melting of glaciers, and so on, rising of the water level. These are all follow-ups of using such forms of energy and of the global climate change. So I have one question in the beginning. I use the question from the beginning to the end about, think about your global ecological footprint. What do you think? If you think about your behavior, your daily behavior, your food you eat, the trips you do, what do you think in comparison to the average citizen in your country or on a global scale, your ecological footprint? Is it lower, the same, or probably higher compared to your peer group? So if you are interested in that, in the internet you will find a lot of online tests that can perform those tests. So it's very easy, you can do that very quickly to find out about your footprint. Further information so can be found online. I wish you good luck by filling out, and you will see, do it, their astonishing results will come up.